I'm gonna be taking some tests. It didn't really... The first time I filmed that, I said tests, and my eyebrows moved. Did I say we are? I am gonna take some tests today. We're gonna take some 17 magazine quizzes and maybe some BuzzFeed quizzes. Which high school musical character are you? No, I should close all my tabs. Y'all gonna be like, what is she doing? Oh no, I'll keep them. It's funny. Your favorite class in high school is public speaking, drama, choir, anything where other people get to listen to your voice. Second option, PE. You can't wait to get out of your chair and get out on the field. I don't take either right now, but I'm gonna do the public speaking one. It's a poll. I thought I had it. Okay, next. Oh, I have to do it myself. Are you kidding? I hate when you have to do the grading yourself. Left, 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 left. Oh wow, okay, that was easy. I don't know why I'm complaining. You're the whiz, Gabriella. Go ahead, go straight to the head of the class. You've got big plans beyond high school. Just don't get so focused on your 4.0 that you don't try other activities to open up to new kids who might not be as gifted as you. That is so sweet. Like, I'm learning so many things about myself. Quiz, are you really best friends? Ooh, that is so funny. Let's put it to the test. You know that your friend's crush isn't interested in them, but they still plan on asking them out. Ah! What do you do? First one, say nothing. You don't want to risk your friend getting mad at you. 2, explain why it might just end up hurting them in the end. Well, the second one. I have to think about that. You borrowed a cool vintage dress from your friend. Spilled a few drops of spaghetti sauce on it. The day after, you 1, return it to them and apologize profusely. 2, let them know, apologize, and offer to pay for the dry cleaning. Wait, so what's the difference? Wait, why do I have to dry clean it? Can I just take it to my house? I'll do this. Your bud? Why does it say your bud? Your buddy wasn't invited to the best party of the year, but you were. You ask if they can come with, refuse to go without them. Ask if they can come with? Am I gonna boycott the party? As you're leaving to meet your bud for a movie, your crush calls. They want to hang out with you at the arcade next door to the movie theater. You text your friend and ask if they would be chill with you bailing for your crush. 2, tell your crush you already have plans. I really want to watch this movie, dog. Do you keep any secrets from your friend? Only a few, but you don't know everything about their life either. No, they've earned your complete trust. I think that's totally different. Like, they can earn my complete trust, but they can still not know everything about my life, you know? So the first one, like, and when it says you don't know everything about their life either, the stuff you don't know aren't necessarily secrets, so that's the dumb one. Good job, 17. Oh my god, and I just turned 17 in this past, it was on Monday. Can y'all like be keeping count for me? I hate going back up. I think that's mostly right. If you answer mostly with the right, you constantly make the effort to show how much you value your friendship. Okay, that makes sense. The ultimate Ariana Grande quiz. What color? Oh, it's my grandma.
Con còn xài tốt hả?
Yeah, nhưng mà nó chậm.
Có hồi nó cũng chậm hả?
Yeah.
Bán bà nội đi.
Okay, my grandma FaceTime me. Ooh, which Disney princess are you? All of them. Okay, what's your favorite subject at school? History. You love dreaming about how romantic life must have been back in the day. I'm not always picker team captain, but I don't really like history that much. Yeah, I'm gonna do gym. Wow, a lot of people like history. That's nice. You're having a sleepover with your besties. What will you and your BFFs probably do all night? Choreograph dances to all your favorite songs. An epic game of truth or dare. We would do neither. Your friend is stressing that she'll never have a boyfriend. What do you tell her to look for love? Where? Oh, it says where? By focusing on yourself and your friends and letting... Ooh, that one. That's what we always say, what my friends and I always say to each other. What's your idea of a fun workout? Ugh, not swimming. I'm gonna do hiking. I can't swim. Alright, this is how to make your life easier. I made a T-chart. Left, left. Oh no. Okay, if you answered more on the left column, you relate most to Pocahontas and Snow White. You can usually be found exploring nature or hanging out with your closest friends. You are kind and loyal and can bring out the best in anyone. These really aren't accurate at all. I mean, like, not that I'm not, like, loyal and stuff. I'm just saying, like, these are so vague. Like, anyone can be this. BuzzFeed personality quizzes. Ooh, I like these. Why did I waste my time on 17? This is which dog breed are you based on your ideal date? Which dog breed are you? So am I. What time is your date? It's at ideally 7 o'clock. Where are you going first? Okay, this is like, but like what time period? Like what age am I? Because go to the movies. Where are you heading next? What is A? We're going to the park. Oh, that's so cute. So we're gonna go to the movies, then the park, or we can go to the movies again. We'll go to the movies twice. Just kidding. How does the night end? With a kiss, with a hug, with a handshake, wink, with the promise of a second date. Aww. Well, it depends, but that's really cute. I like that one. When will you go out again? We're not going out again. Oh my god. You're clever, athletic, and independent. You love to learn about new things, and you like to perfect every task you were given. People love you for your great sense of humor and cuteness. Aw, that's cute. Eat at Thanksgiving feast and we'll reveal which holiday you are. These are so cool. Who will be there? Everybody. Everyone. Pick a main dish. Smoked ham. Ooh, lamb. I really like lamb. I'm gonna do smoked ham. But then I want everyone to be able to eat it. Let's do roasted turkey. I like smoked ham. Let's do with what I want. Pick another dessert. No thanks. I like the answers. Christmas. You're a happy person. You're very personable. You're generous and you put everyone else's needs in front of yours. Aww. That's so cute. I feel that. Tell us your random preferences and we'll reveal what you taught our— oh, I love this one. I haven't even taken it yet. Pick a man. Ooh, pick a man from the Mamma Mia series. Definitely Sam. Definitely. When sleeping in bed with your significant other, what role do you feel? I don't. Please don't touch me. I got pain. You were just so meaningful that it hurt. Aw, that it hurt when you left. Regardless of your reasons for leaving, your personality leaves a lasting mark. One that won't go away for a while. Interesting. Order some Chinese food and we'll tell you if you're an introvert or an extrovert. It's time for dessert. What are you ordering? Coconut milk and red meat pudding. Yeah, dog. Fortune cookie time. Which fortune describes you best? Bringing joy to others is something you do best. It's not even a fortune. Sometimes to find peace, you must look inside yourself. That one. Because... oh! That's wrong. This quiz was wrong. Next. It's some state. I like how there's like, let me go back. There was like absolutely no description. It was just like, you're an introvert. Sorry. Whoa! This is creepy. Eat an unlimited amount at Denny's and will reveal the exact day you were born. I'm kind of scared. Great. What's with the pictures? Look at this picture. Where'd they find this? Like stock image? Oh, Getty Images. Great. What type of omelet would you like to try? They're so good. She tried. I want the hammy and cheese omelet. They better get my birthday right. It passed. You also want a Grand Slam? Great. Just tell me which one sounds the best. Oh, yeah. I love the Grand Slams. I usually get Lumberjack. This is Denny's, right? Yes. I'm happy to get you a side. Which one would you like? She does not look happy. She looks like... you're fat. I'll have this cheesecake. It's wrong. Okay, that was the last quiz. Hopefully you got to know me, kind of. They weren't really as deep. And every question was like the same. I chose like stuffing like 5 times. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.